Okay, hey guys. So today is a Tuesday. It's the afternoon right now. There goes Jasmine on a tablet, of course. I'm waiting for my mom because my mom is bringing me food for one, and because, well, I have to wait for WIC, and they're on lunch right now, and they don't open up till like 1 again. So I had to wait patiently, sadly. But today we are gonna do the WIC, which y'all won't be in there because I don't exactly know if I can record in there, and I don't want to be in trouble for it. So. And then we're gonna go to the zoo since it is free today, since it's Tuesday and it's the first week of the month. The first Tuesday of the month of the new month. Right? That's how it goes. Yeah. I believe it's the first Tuesday of every month. And so that's what we're doing today. Other than that, I don't know what we will be doing, but we'll see how that goes. I'm excited for the zoo because I haven't gone in forever, and because, well, the last time she went, she was itty bitty, and I feel like she would enjoy it very much. Okay, so she does not want to leave this bird, guys. It's not a real bird, but you know. What is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
Bird? Come on.
No.
She doesn't want to leave the bird.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Come on. Let's go look at the other animals. Let's go look at the other animals. Squirrel. Come on. Come here. Come here. That's a squirrel. That's not a bird. That's a squirrel. See the monkeys? Monkeys? She's having a hissy fit the whole time, guys. But she's still enjoying it at the same time. It's just because she don't want me to carry her or put her in the stroller. So, let's see. What do you see, mamas? I don't see nothing. You see anything? Come on. Let's go this way. Yeah. You see it? Okay, so we just got out of the zoo because it was closing at 6 and it's already 5:30. She is tired, cranky, but right now she is calm. But it was nice to see all the animals and walk around, and it felt nice. And then it seemed like it was gonna rain, but it didn't, so that's a good thing. But so I will be heading home now, so I'll see y'all later. I'm home. FYI, I'm eating cereal. This is my puzzle, by the way, guys. Still not done with it, but I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost there, guys. As you can see Josh here. Right there. just, you know.
Tired.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, this is the end of it. Bye, Ricky. Bye-bye.